Alright, so I got skis done. They look pretty crappy, but I'll finish them, like make them look really nice later. But it's looking pretty nice. It's modeled after the G4. There'll be a picture on the screen. I gotta do track and drive shaft still, and then we'll start printing it. That's about it for today's video. Just something really simple and quick, just to keep you guys updated on what I've been working on, and it would be this thing. Don't forget, if we get to 100 subscribers before Christmas, we'll get that one running, and that one running, and that one running. That one's never ran, that one has ran, that one has not ran ever in its life. Well, that's it for now. I'll leave a like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all the good stuff. But for today, it's really simple. I'm super sorry for that. It's no snow on the ground, so I'll see you guys in the next one.